Can you say no? Mama yelling at the TV. Say no! I know, I agree. He shouldn't have caught it that fast. No! Yeah, no.
Yay, go, yay, Homer.
No!
I was supposed to be a Homer.
No! You say no! Come on, let's go.
He had 2 wins in 2010. He's 0-2 this season, but much better here tonight. Check on Infante with Delvin Young at the plate. Ken Rosenthal asked manager Bruce Bochy of the Giants how he handled Bumgarner, who was upset with his stuff after that loss in Game 1 of the NLCS, coming into this World Series and giving him a start. Great job.
Yeah!
What? That was not out. He got there before.
Oh, no!
He got there before.
He just stole the base and they said it's out and he had the base first. Or maybe not. But no!
Split seconds. Split
Ow.
seconds.
No! I don't suggest you step on your brother's head. Ali.
Ali, just because your brother's tough as nails